I carry on into the next exhibit. The museum now has an awkwardness about it, as the few people remaining become tedious. Plunged into a sudden darkness, I carry on into a small alley, leading into a cavernous room. Pictures flicker on and off the screen. I sit down on a set of benches adjacent to the wall. Another bench is already taken, by an elderly man, transfixed on the pictures, lost in them. Concentrating is hard, as soon as I come to grips with the picture, it disappears and is replaced by another, more random in context than the previous. My entrance causes the man to grunt and leave, obviously preferring solitude. I'm left alone and abandoned with the pictures. Now as I look closer, I notice similarities. For example, a dog that appears in lots. Then suddenly, a photo flicks on. The projector short-circuits and switched off, but the photo remains. I stood up to it and looked at it a little closer. It was night, a dimly lit street, littered with puddles. A shadowy figure stood at the back of the picture. I could not pick out much of him, except the shape. The picture flicked again, and suddenly the same picture came, except now the figure had disappeared. My palms began to sweat, and the room had a sudden heat mixed with a chill. I turned around, and he was there.